What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. We actually have a crazy video for you guys. We bought a Supreme pinball machine. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get this set up. Alright guys, FedEx just came in. As you guys see right behind me, we have the Supreme pinball machine right behind me. Pretty dope first glance. They did black out the Supreme on here so that way no one knew that it was Supreme. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's unbox this thing. So retail on this was actually $8,000, I want to say, when it first came out a couple years back. Funny enough, I actually tried to go for this release, had the money set up, freaking went the day before to the bank account, to the bank to add the money to my account to try to hit it, because we already knew this is the time when Supreme was like really hot at the time. So everyone knew that this was going to resell for way more than retail. So again, I did end up going to the bank the night before, deposited the money on the hopes that I was supposedly going to hit. Again, next day happened, I didn't hit, took the L, and a couple people actually supposedly did. Again, they only made like 100 or 200 of these, so I did not hit this for retail. And then the resale prices we're looking at around like 35 to 40,000 is what I saw, and we were lucky enough to get it around a little bit under that. I would say it was right at 40. So the original idea was for the machine was that we were going to open up a store over in Dallas. We were going to open up a flagship store out there. Didn't happen. Then the Parks Mall opportunity happened, and now full circle ahead. We're here, and now we're putting this in the store so our customers can enjoy it and maybe play some pinball machine.
I saw one listed for like 50 grand.
You saw one listed? So we'll post some screenshots. There was a listing that sold for like 100,000 at Christie's. So Christie's is like a online bidding company, just like same thing as Soda Buys. So this sold I think a year ago or some time ago for like 100,000. And then some people kind of use that as like as a guide to see like what these are going for market. I would say market is around like 50 to 60. Again, they're just so rare that no one really knows how to put a price tag on them. It's not, I've seen videos, it shouldn't be that hard. It's just screwing on the legs.
You should talk about how it's doing. So it's a little tough, but nothing that we can't handle. We just basics, just put on the legs, stand it up, and then just take off the rep. Overall, we'll get it done though.
So the reason why we bought it originally was for our store that we were going to open up in Dallas. So if a lot of people didn't know, we were actually planning on opening up a flagship store over in Dallas by the American Airlines Center. Deal didn't pass through, so then we had the opportunity to move here to Arlington, and it made sense to just now start, putting it in here in the store. Slowly. Okay. Get this off even. Hold this even. It has some nuts that I gotta bolt through here.
That's what she said. Shit, it's nice. It's sleek. It's dope. Never really been up close to one of these, but I like the whole concept. Like, just the whole thing is just dope in general. We don't gotta go to Dave & Buster's.
Company outings right here.
So these are the keys to the pinball machine. And if I read the instructions correctly, which I didn't read it, I just saw YouTube videos.
Oh, I can't read.
I don't worry. Reading's for rich people.
Here is the coin slot. The pinballs are in here, and also the nuts to screw in the back. Got the balls in there, pinballs.
Dirty jokes.
Eden stays with the dirty jokes. So I actually got this from a guy over in California. So we had to wait, I think it was like a good 2 months from the freight to get there. About 2 months to get to my house. Alright guys, we pretty much completed it. It's just the actual setup of the game. So the whole hardware part is pretty much done. So we're about to move it right now to the position where we want it in the store. So anyways, we're adding the balls right now. The reason why I'm doing the paper cleaning on them is because they do have oils on them. And then obviously they did recommend to scrub them down a little bit just to, so that way it doesn't leave like oil stains on the field. So just gotta add the glass back in and then we're done.
Plug it in.
Now plug it in and turn it on. Oh, start. Yeah. Do the introductions. I'll let Raul do the introductions.
You ever push it?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Did I hook up something wrong? Yeah. Oh, bro. What did I do wrong?
We got sold a broken Supreme pinball machine? Question mark?
No. Fuck. Scared me, Raul.
Oh shit. Man.
Start.
Oh, just lit up. Dope.
Cool. Those are coins. Fuck it. I guess I gotta get coins. You play it. Shit. I suck at pinball, but oh, never mind. I have another. That's pretty much a little bit of the pinball machine. I showed you guys how we set it up. We have it in store. You guys can come by to the store, play it for $1, and it's pretty fun. I mean, for the people that haven't seen it, it's here in the store now in DFW. So stop by. So a lot of craziness is gonna happen. A lot of the comments. I know you guys are already gonna probably say, why did I spend $35,000, $40,000, $50,000 on this pinball machine? One of the reasons, it's not just for the monetary side of it. Yeah, obviously it's cool in the shop or whatnot, but I also see it as an investment. A lot of people don't know, but you know, you got to kind of spend money. You got to spend money to make money. So we kind of use it as an investment piece to get people down to the shop, check it out, have some fun, play some pinball machine, and also on that, you know, obviously people are going to be playing it for $1 a play. It's going to pay off by itself. It's a pinball machine. There's no rewards, just like the Keymaster and stuff like that. So it's just pretty much just for fun. So that's one of the main things I wanted to let you guys know, that you guys don't need to be afraid to invest money into something. This is something for people to come in and use, kind of use like for marketing. So this is definitely a marketing piece that we use in the store to get people down in here. So you can't go wrong with it. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. We have Steven from the lab. Make sure to stay tuned. We have a Soulcast episode coming out with them very soon. So stay tuned on that.
Sure, check that out. Like I said, shout out my boy here, Brev. Shout out SOLEPLIER. I'm glad, you know, he invited us over here. It's looking great in the shop. I love it, man. And like I said, stay tuned for that Soulcast episode.
All right, guys, until next time, peace.
Dun.
That's kind of how I see it.